Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we have something very special to show you. We are at the Grand Californian here in Disneyland. We get a look at one of the rooms here at the Grand Californian, so we're so excited. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so we got special access to a room here at the Grand Californian. So we are here to give a little room tour of this. So you walk right in, and to the left looks like a nice closet. Open the door up. Ooh. There's a robe. That is awesome. I love that. Okay, we're gonna pivot to the right, and they have nice double sinks. Ooh, that's nice. That would have been nice at the Disneyland hotel we're staying at, but that's okay. So there's a nice big mirror here. Over here is the toilet. Here, I like those light switches. Look at that shower. That's nice. Oh wow. That looks really nice. Very cool. I like the little Mickey stool there at the bottom. That's cool. Come in. It looks like you have a little... Ooh, they have a Keurig. Why don't we have a Keurig at the Disneyland one? That's nice though. I like that granite. Looks like granite. And then I bet this is where the... Yep, fridge is. Nice desk. So, two nice queen beds. I like those lamps above the beds. And look at that, behind the bed is a nice little orange tree. And I spotted some friends in the orange tree. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Have you guys spotted them yet? It's Chip and Dale. Oh my goodness, so cute. So here is Dale and Chip up there in the corner. They're trying to get some oranges to take with them. That's too cute. I love that. And then you have the little nightstand there in the middle. And then I don't know what the view is, but let's turn around here. They even have a couch. That's nice. I don't think it's a pull-out, but there is a couch here. And check out these pictures. That's neat. Love that. And then a huge TV. Oh my goodness. That is huge. And then a nice little storage area there. Some drawers. Nice as well. And there's a nice picture over there on that wall as well. So yeah, very nice big room. And I like how the vanity and the sinks are separated from the shower so that people can shower and get ready at the same time. A nice view of downtown Disney. This is cool. A little balcony here. I love this. That is awesome. There's two chairs out here and a little table. Alright, so there you go guys. Here is a room inside the Grand Californian. That's crazy. You close the door and you hear nothing. So that's nice. Nice soundproof room. Come on in. Welcome to my room. Just kidding.
It's so cute.
Okay guys, Andrew, no it's okay.
Hi.
Andrew is showing us something I didn't see.
Check out this artwork.
Oh, they're so cute.
Yeah, it's done in like an Art Deco 1920s style
Chip
painting,
and Dale.
which matches all the other artwork here in Grand California.
I love it. I spotted him over there, but I didn't come all the way in to see him here. Thank you, Andrew.
I just noticed too, it's like the top of Mickey's head in the stool.
Oh, I love that. And I love how the vanities out here, the one in the Disneyland Hotel, are inside.
Oh, yeah, this is how, if you have multiple people, that way.
Yep. Get ready. So this is nice.
Wow.
Thank you for showing us your room.
Anytime.
And I love your ears, by the way.
Thank you. Same back at you.
Thank you. Oh yeah, I see that.
That one is
Hidden Mickey.
better.
It's very hidden, right?
It is,
Yeah.
if you weren't really looking right, yeah.
I like that.
Very nice.
Wants to try that ice cream.
And there's a forest down the hallway. I love it.
I'm going to get it tomorrow or something after.
Here's a little workspace down here, which is pretty cool. Ooh, that's dark. Very, very pretty lobby. Reminds me a lot of the Wilderness Lodge. Love the fire over here, especially since it's chilly outside right now for us Floridians. Here's where you check in. And the one really cool thing about staying here is you can walk right into Disney's California Adventure Park in a side entrance. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed checking out one of the rooms at the Grand Californian with us. A big thank you to Crystal for letting us tour her room there at the Grand Californian. Leave us a comment down below if you've ever stayed in this hotel before, or if you're excited to the next time you visit Disneyland. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best and free Disney planning advice. And also Victor Naraki, he's a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/NarakiRealtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.